Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, this video is going to be a little weird to start with, but hi. If you are a returning subscriber, say hi to Copernicus. Mwah. So today we're going to be doing a house tour, an empty house tour of me and my husband's new house. And I'm so excited to show you guys. And it's a mini tour. It's just a mini tour because I don't have a lot of stuff set up right now, okay? So be mindful of that. Let's go. Let's get into it, yeah? So when you first walk up, we have a green and black front door, which I feel like is meant to be. Then it feeds you right into the living room. So the living room has a black fireplace, which really caught my attention looking at this house. And then there's a dining room and we get to the kitchen. This kitchen is all black and white. It's honestly everything that I've ever wanted. I know some of you guys might be looking at this and being like, okay, that's like the starter pack kitchen. Well, this is my dream. It has a gas stove, which is amazing compared to electric because I don't need to clean. It has a pantry and then going into the backyard. We have this little cookie cutter backyard, but what's unique about it is that there's rosemary bushes everywhere. So there's rosemary and rose bushes. I'm never gonna have to buy rosemary again, y'all. Like, think fresh potpourri where I just go out with a basket and I'm like, let's make potpourri. So here's the kitchen. I'm obsessed with it. I love everything about this kitchen. I wouldn't change a thing. The countertops are quartz, so if anyone has quartz and wants to give me some tips in the comments, feel free. But for the most part, we got hardwood all over the house. Big sink. I hate the ones with the divider. I'm like, why? And then for the background, you can see it's like subway tile. It's gonna be perfect for ASMR. Then in the master bedroom, we have a big walk-in closet, which is so nice because we have so many clothes. Then here's the master bathroom. This is like truly a king and queens type of suite. This is actually my dream bathroom. I honestly can't even believe that this is mine. Like, the reality has not set in for me at all. It has a tub and a shower. And then you're probably wondering, where's the toilet? Okay, so it's hidden behind this wall that's inside of the bathroom. Isn't that weird? I'm obsessed with this vanity, and yes, there's gonna be many get ready with me's here. So yeah, this is the first bedroom, and then we get to the second one, which is gonna be my office, and then the laundry room, which is nice because I didn't have one before. Third bedroom is my husband's office, and the fourth is the guest. And it pretty much looks similar to the master bathroom. I'm in love, I'm obsessed, and yes, I'm gonna do the most to have this fully stocked and ready for anyone who wants to come over. There are shelves here so I can stock this with all the toiletries that my guests would need. Finally, we have a 2-car garage, which is perfect because my husband has a classic car and I have a truck. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked it as much as I love this house. I hope that you love it, and I hope that you're like, oh my gosh, that screams Maddie, because it does. I definitely picked out this house. My husband had like zero say. Yeah, I'm gonna be decorating Boujee on a budget because, as you know, when you buy a house, so your girl's gonna be going to Dollar Tree first of all, Five Below, and I'm going to work my Boujee on a budget magic in this house. So I've already ordered a lot of stuff off of Amazon to save myself money in terms of furniture. So I went ahead and bought a lot of furniture items from Amazon because it's cheaper there. So rather than, you know, going and buying it at any other store. So for that, I'm doing Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I've gotten. And then for the decor, baby, we're doing Boujee on a budget. We're doing Dollar Tree. We're doing, I've already gone to Target Dollar Spot and I bought another like boot. I bought another one of the little glass boots. I'm gonna put it out on the front door with one of the little swans that they had at Target. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my Boujee on a budget thing up in here, and I hope you guys follow along. And I'm gonna be making long form videos of me decorating because I love to sit here and talk, and 1 minute is not enough. Hello. And also my desk is gonna get set up today, finally. So I will have a place to film and sit down and like talk to you guys and go live. So yeah, get ready for that. And I love you guys. And thank you for being patient with me like during this move and stuff. And stay tuned. Mwah!